An updo is a great hairstyle for parties and for events, and today I wanted to show you 3 easy ways how you can create an updo while wearing your hair topper. So I'm sure you're going to be invited to holiday parties this season, and today I wanted to show you 3 easy ways of how you can create an updo while wearing your hair topper. Updos really work great when you have a higher neckline on your blouse, or if you have a dress with a higher neckline. Anything that covers the area, you really want to lift your hair up and not be in the way. And also, if you do have a dress that has a lower neckline and that has an open back, updos are a great way to showcase the great features of your body. If you don't want to show that type of part of the body, then it is the best to maybe choose a half up or half down hairstyle. But today I wanted to show you some easy ways that you can create an updo while wearing your hair topper without the worry that it's going to be noticeable or that it's going to shift during the party or the event. So you can create this hairstyle and be worry-free that anyone will be able to tell that you're wearing a hair topper. In this video, I am wearing a 16-inch hair topper, which is our concealed top. This hair topper looks very natural and realistic, and I opted to use this one for this type of hairstyle. But if you do have a thicker topper or, our divine top as well, then you can also achieve these hairstyles. So let's get started. To create these hairstyles, you're going to need a few of these small elastics. You're also going to need some bobby pins, and you're going to need a hairbrush or a comb. And also for these hairstyles, you can have your hair straight, or you can curl it or add a little bit of wave to it like I did here. But however you prefer to wear your hair, you don't need to do any extra steps because it is an updo. You just want to be able to put your hair back and up. So this is what you're going to do. I usually like to leave front layers, to leave the layers framing my face like this. You're going to divide your hair in 2 even sections, and then you're going to take this small elastic, and then on your second try, you're going to leave a little ponytail hanging like this. And you're going to do the same thing with this one. Now you see you have a hole here. You're going to take this section and you're going to push it through like this. And then you're going to take a bobby pin and you're going to pin this in place. Then you're going to take these small sections and you're going to pin them around. You're going to have something like this, and then you can pull the hair up And then another thing that you can do to finish off this hairstyle is add an accessory to it. And this is optional, and I'm going to add this one to that. And you can just add it anywhere, just to add that a little bit of a festive touch. Hairstyle number 2 It's going to be very similar. These are very easy to do, so you're going to, maybe if you wanted to, let's see if we want to have a sleek. So what you're going to do, you're going to gather all of your hair to the back of the head. Usually like to pull up this section, so it adds a little bit of volume so that my head is not as flat. To grab make a ponytail like this, then you're going to take your elastic and you're going to try to tie a ponytail, but on a second try, you're not going to go all the way. You're just going to leave a small ponytail like that. And you're going to get something like this. Then you're going to take this small ponytail and you're going to pin this in place. Against your head. Something looking like this. And then you're going to take this section and you're going to smooth it out. You can even take a comb if you want, or a brush, and you're going to gently wrap it around this area. If you have shorter hair, this probably is going to be even easier for you to create. I have longer hair, so I have to make sure that all of my little ends get tucked in and they are nice and smooth. Once you have your updo all pinned around and the hair looks nice and clean and smooth, then you're going to take these little sections on the side and you're going to pull your hair up to add some volume. And you can also hairspray this and set it in place, and you can also add to this hairstyle an accessory if you want. Something like this. Or if you don't want an accessory, you don't have to add it. It's all about what you prefer and what you like and what you feel comfortable with. But this is a very easy way if you want a little bit more of polished and sophisticated updo. So you're going to have one ponytail here, like that. We're going to tie the ponytail. Like this. Okay, we're going to tie the ponytail like that. And you're going to pull a little bit of hair up here. And you're going to take this section and you're going to create another ponytail. So you're going to have two of these ponytails. And now you can actually take this ponytail and you're going to braid this ponytail. It's just an easy 3-strand braid, and it's just easy 3-strand braid. You divide here into 3 even sections and you overlap them on top of each other until you're finished. Then you're going to tie this section down at the end. To do the 3-strand braid, and if you don't know how to do the 3-strand braid, then you can actually do the rope braid, which is just taking 2 sections like this, and you're going to twist the hair around each other. It's going to look something like this. Okay, and then you're going to tie this as well. The goal is to pin this all around, and definitely for this look you're going to need 2 mirrors to ensure that what you're pinning, it looks decent, but you want it to look like a braided bun. And the goal is to just pin it, and it doesn't need to be perfect, but it just needs to have a dimension. And you can also pull on the bun to give it that dimension. And once you're satisfied with the way that you pinned it, then you can also add the accessory in it. And this time I'm going to add it to the side here. Concludes today's video. If you would like to be the first to know about our exclusive offers and discounts, then I would recommend you visit our website and get on our email list. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with your friends that you know will enjoy hair tips or hair tutorials. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell button, which is going to notify you every time I post a new video. And I'd love to hear from you. So in the comments below, let me know which hairstyle did you like the best and that you would like to try it yourself. And also, are you going to any special occasions this holiday season? And thank you so much again for watching, and I will talk to you next time.